Hey, babe. If you don't mind, babes, are you alright? Yeah, I'll be back before 9. There's rose in the fridge. Just pour mine, cause I'ma give you that slow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tierra, but you guys can call me TT for short. So today what I'm going to be doing is reviewing the ABH and Jackie Aina palette. Auntie Jackie has finally collaborated with a brand to create something very, 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 very beautiful. Okay, look at it. Just look at it in all its glory. I'm very proud of Miss Jackie Aina, and congratulations on your palette. Congratulations on your engagement, and happy belated birthday, sis. So yes, we got this palette, and I couldn't be more excited with all the colors and all it. So that's the palette in all its glory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 14 shades in here. There's a mix of like shimmer, matte, and yeah, we're just gonna get down with the get down, okay? I just want to dive in. Whoa. We're gonna edit that part out. I be acting too silly, okay? Okay, so yes, we're gonna just dive right in because I want to see what the juice, what the tea, what it's all brewing like, okay? Because I know y'all want to know, so I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm gonna let y'all in. So I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer, and we're gonna get started, okay? I already did my eyebrows, and of course I put some concealer on my lid. I didn't need to do that, but of course I wanted to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and dive in, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Well, aren't we close? Hey guys, nice to see you there. Okay, so of course it comes with the normal brush that all Anastasia palettes come with. I have about 4 of these now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start out with let's go with the color Edges. It's like the burnt orange color here. Definitely looks more salmon on camera, but it looks a little burnt orange over here. So I'm gonna go in with Edges, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my transition color. Ooh. Ooh, pigment. Definitely pigment. Let's pigment. Okay, pigment. Which is not unexpected with Anastasia. There is a little fallback. I mean, a little fallout, but that's kind of to be expected with shades that are very pigmented. So I'm not mad at it. I've never been mad at a little fallout. Okay. As y'all can see, the pigment is there, honey. The pigment is there. Ooh. Okay, Jackie. Listen, now we're gonna start this off and say that I personally came into this with no fear at all, because I just know Jackie was not gonna fail me. You know what I'm saying? Like Jackie. Just knew she wasn't gonna fail me. So you know me coming in doing this, I might be a little biased, but we're gonna continue. But so far so good. Okay. So next I am going to go in with the color Credit, which is a true brown, a brown that we all need. Every single skin type, every tingle skin type, every single skin tone, every person needs a brown, a go-to brown. And of course we got that in this palette. So I'm taking a big fluffy brush, once again, the pigment is there. You really need to be careful about how much you put on your brush if you're not like familiar with eyeshadow. But yes, because this goes a long way and it can get really scary really bad. Ooh, those two colors are marrying so nice together. Y'all, I haven't done eyeshadow in so long. So long. Like on a daily basis, I don't do it anymore. But like now, all these nice little palettes are coming out, and it's like just in time for fall, and I'm here for it. So I think I'm gonna start being a little bit more dramatic. Judge me if you feel, if you will. Ooh. Let's get into it. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the color Pinker right here. Like so. I know this looks a little scary. I know it does. I know it looks a little scary, but just wait on it. Just wait. Just wait. So now I'm going to go in with this color Trust Issues, and I'm just going to swatch it for you. Wait, I want to go with Situation or Trust Issues on top of that pinker color. So let's go ahead. This is Situation. You can't really see it, but that's Situation. And this is Trust Issues. Ooh, I think I'm gonna go with Trust Issues. That's how Trust Issues look. Okay, Trust Issues. Trust Issues is coming for necks and wigs, okay? So hide your necks, hide your wives, hide your wigs, because it's coming for y'all. Shit, it came for me. Shit, okay, trust Issues. And now I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of Credit and put it over here. I just want to darken this outer part. Like so. We're gonna go in with a little bit of liner, just a little bit, like just a smidge, a little smidge. Oh. Did that just come together or did it come together? Like, whoa, okay. I wasn't prepared, honestly. I'm going to take credit now and run it under my lash line ever so slightly. Ever so slightly. Y'all, this is cute as fuck. Like, I don't know how else to say it, but y'all, this is just fire. Like, I don't know if I'm just saying it because I haven't done eyeshadow in a really long time, but your girl is just feeling herself at this point. Like, I know I need to calm down. I know I do, but like, I'm just feeling it. So now I'm just gonna go in with this NYX liner and I'm gonna line my lid. Like so. A 95 going on here. And now I'm literally gonna go in with any clear lip gloss. This is my Maybelline Shine Shot. I use this when I used to work out. Big emphasis on used to. Gonna get back, I promise. Yeah. And that's it. That's all, folks. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. My last verdict on the Jackie Aina palette in collaboration with ABH. I love it. I definitely was not expecting it to be a disappointment at all. So, congrats again, Jackie Aina, on your collaboration with ABH. Of course, she's had collaborations before, but this is probably the biggest eyeshadow palette collaboration she's had. So congratulations and big ups to you, sis, because you know you've been the shit, you know. But you know, we just adding value to you. Okay, so congratulations. I love the palette. I think it's going to be a beautiful staple piece for the fall time, which is, you know, approaching quite fast, you know. So yeah, if you guys like these videos where I kind of like review and tell you step by step how I do these looks, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys like me, just hit the like button. And if you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's somewhere down below, so go ahead and do this. Y'all, this brown shirt with this hair and stuff is like it's a vibe. Please remember that behind every open and closed door, there's always a new opportunity. So keep on grinding, sis, and you'll get to where you need to be. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go cop that palette, okay? Okay. Subscribe for me.